Good afternoon and welcome home to 4604 Sycamore Street in Dallas, located a convenient 5-minute drive from downtown Dallas. As we enter the premises, we will see a small library and reading room, stairs to upstairs, a nice long hallway. Off to the right, another seating area, nice open floor plan, including a formal dining area. And through here, we have a hall bathroom, which is downstairs, full shower, dual vanity sink. And we go around the corner, we have a fireplace, another seating area, living area. And here we've got a kitchen nook for dining. We have a granite countertop, a copper sink, dishwasher, all stainless steel, updated modern appliances, including a wall oven, a range gas cooktop. We also have a pantry located downstairs, right here. This room next to the pantry includes a washer and a dryer, which is available for tenant use. As we go back through the open floor plan, passing the hall bath to the right, we're going to traverse upstairs to take a look at the grand master bedroom, which we think is one of the centerpieces of this property. Up the stairs to the right, we're going to go into the master bedroom. Here we have a nice, long, flowing master bedroom, including a wet bar, a nice full-size walk-in closet here, ample storage, and we have a fireplace as well. Through here, we have a dual vanity sink, a clawfoot tub, we have a water closet, we have also a dual head shower, and we have another nice full-size walk-in storage closet with ample room for all of your items that might need to be stored. Now we're going to go check out the other bedrooms. Bedroom directly off to the master is a nice full-size bedroom. All have walk-in closets. Right next to that one, we have a door that opens to the outside balcony, which we're going to take a look at just a second. A nice, another big flowing bedroom. We're going to take a quick peek outside at our balcony, which opens up to the neighborhood. We're going to go back inside and we're going to take a look at the final bedroom, which is off to the right in the corner. One of the smaller bedrooms, but still ample, and it has also a walk-in closet. Double vanity, full-size bath upstairs. And this concludes our tour. If you have any questions or requests a showing, feel free to contact me at 469-877-3684, and we'll be glad to arrange that for you. Have a good day.